They leave me all alone. Some days it gets so low. It has to be you, has to be you.
So I'm going to a car show this weekend, and I kid you not, if any of y'all out there like my car, and y'all think that my car is dope, the only way my car would even get top 25 at this car show is if there are 25 cars. And I'm not kidding. I wouldn't even think if these guys show up and show out, I'm not even top 25. That's how dope these cars are. That this car show I'm going to is. It's near Atlanta. These guys are coming from Florida, of course, Atlanta area. It's gonna be dope. I'm gonna try to get some video footage, and I hope y'all tune in for it and check these dudes out, these girls out. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be epic. Tune in. That boy putting race gas in that thing. If you didn't know, that's a Ford Lightning. That means it's a forced induction production Ford pickup truck. A race truck you can buy from the factory. Old school race truck right there. So we posted up at Pork and Torque. Pulled the car off the trailer. A few kids came up, said they liked the car. Swag Pack Shaq himself said that we look good. We can go home. I don't need to be here no more. This guy wins best in show everywhere he goes, every time he participates. And he said we look good. I can go home. I can pack it up. I can put it back in the trailer and go back to Alabama. I'm straight. This is the setup at Pork and Torque. Woodstock, Georgia. We out here supporting the homie Swag Pack Shaq. Pull up in the Batmobile with that thing on kill.
Oh, don't do that. Come on. I see a day late and a dollar short. You gotta get here early. Earlier than I did, at least. Slow down.
That's Pork and Torque 2026. Hopefully next year be bigger and better. Sheesh. Spreading awareness for meningitis for a good cause. But these are the people who showed up and showed out. Let me know what y'all favorite car is. What y'all think should have won Best in Show. Dragon Vet won Best in Show. I agree. We'll see what we can do next time. Accidentally parked that close to the mall. That was a problem. Made it back home safely. One casualty, I did get a flat tire on the trailer, but it did get me back home. We just have to fill it up with air once, right after we crossed the border to Alabama. These are what I copped from the Nike store at the outlet mall that was next to the hotel. Back kicking it with the boys. And the next car show, the next big thing that we're gonna do, the boss said no more car shows until Comic Palooza because we got to get the car right. It wasn't right, it wasn't 100%. So we're gonna get it right, get it tight for Comic Palooza a month from now, Houston, Texas. Follow Comic-Con and Comic Palooza for more. Tune into the channel, and the Deadpool Scat will be back in a month. Peace.